Hey there, Roddo from Sports Adventure here again today with another great segment of Roddos Rules, where we take good old-fashioned recipes, we take out the bad stuff, we put back in the good healthy food, the food that I think you should be eating more and more of every single day to lose a few kilos, help you get fit, get out and do all that great stuff that we think we want to do and we love to do all the time. So what have we got installed today? Well, as you can see from the menu board here, super sushi. And who doesn't love good sushi? It's always fresh and clean and makes you feel good, but top of the list, as we know, what's the main ingredient? Rice. So first and foremost, our bag of rice, we're going to ditch that into the sin bin, gone. I'm going to shoot that to my brother-in-law because he loves rice. So that one's out the door. So what are we going to do? Well, today we've got a little trick. We've got something really, really cool in store. We're going to, as I said, substitute the rice with a few other ingredients which are magnificent. And this is a really, really cool little recipe. Righto, so let's go. Our main ingredient this time we're going to use is cauliflower instead of the rice. And I know what you're going to say, it's a vegetable and it tastes like cauliflower. Believe me, with what we're going to do here now, change a few things around, add a few extra things, you won't believe it. So let's go from the top. A lovely fresh cauliflower from the local greengrocer. We're going to cut that up into a few chunks just to start with. So we're going to break that up here. As I said, we're just going to cut those flowers off. We don't want too much of the stalk in there because, as I mentioned, this is going to be our rice. This is the crux of our rice. So we're going to take all this, we're going to pop it into our trusty old food processor. Love the food processor. Pop all those things in there, lid on, and on the PowerPoint, and let's go. As you can see, it doesn't take long just to break it up, to cut it down. It even starts to look like rice. So let's go really nicely there. A little bit longer. Right, yeah, that's looking pretty good. So the things that we're going to add to it is a little bit of a twist, a bit of a change. So as you can see on our ingredient board, a tablespoon of coconut aminos. And this is something that we hadn't used a lot of before, but just adds a little bit of extra flavour there. So we're going to drop that in there like that. Again, lid back on. Give her another go. Just mix that through a bit. Beautiful, done. So as you can see, that's all starting to mix up nicely there. There's a couple of chunks in there, which we're just going to take out. Beautiful. So we're going to pop that little chunk out. But as you can see, look how that's mixed up. Really, and the consistency is almost the same as rice. So that's perfect. So from here, we're going to pan fry this. So we've got our normal old fry pan, grease it up, again, block butter, beautiful, healthy butter. We're going to take that, we're going to pop that into our fry pan. Pop all that out there now. Good. That's all done there. Now we're going to take that and we're going to fry that off just for a couple of minutes, not too long. So won't be 1 minute. Okay, so just for time today, we've just pan fried that off. Beautiful, just a little bit of light cooking, just to brown it up a little bit. From there, we're going to add a couple of extra ingredients. 180 grams of cream cheese and a tablespoon of rice vinegar. We put that in here now, and then we blend it up again. Finishes it off. Just for time, I'm not going to do that now, but I've already prepared one. So as you can see, as that's finished up, it looks like, moist rice sort of consistency with our extra ingredients there, all ready to go. So that's going to become the basis of our sushi. From here, just like ordinary old sushi, we take our seaweed sheets or our nori sheets, and you can buy these at supermarkets all laid out, all ready to go. I don't know if you can see there, but they also come with just a fine line cut in there, just to, when you're finished, and you can use that as a bit of a guide for cutting them up. So we're going to take that, lay that sheet out there. Now we're going to take our cauliflower mixture, and a real catch for beginners here, something that's really, really important to do is not overfill your seaweed sheets. Something I've been caught with many, many times before. You think, oh, I'll load it up and I'll put heaps of stuff in there and it'll make it really nice and chunky and thick, and epic fail. Don't do that. Go for a little bit less filling than more. That's a really, really handy tip. Ingredients, things to put in your sushi. As you know, down at the Japanese restaurant, you can use a swag of different ingredients. Today, we're going to go with a bit of cucumber, some sliced avo, and a bit of salmon. Beautiful. But there's a swag of other things that you can add just for your own taste, your own preference there. Okay, so we're going to add in our strips. Again, really important. Keep the thickness of your roll down as much as you can. You don't want to load them up. They don't roll well. They all fall apart. No good. So we've cut all our ingredients here into slices. So we're going to lay those out there, and just a little bit of smoked salmon there, just on top, just to finish off. So as you can see there, just keep it nice and neat, just not too thick. And then we're going to take that. Now you can get a sushi kit, if you like, which has a lot of the conventional stuff in it. We've changed a few things around, and it comes with a little bamboo tray, which kind of just helps to massage and just to roll the sheet. We're not using any of that today. We're just going to roll it straight up. So here we go. We're going to go nice and gently. And as you can see, that just rolls over there, and we're just going to use a little bit of water there, and just to wet the edge, and that just helps. It just helps to hold it all together, if you like. So we get to that point. Taking a really sharp knife, super important, because you want to keep it nice and neat, nice and clean, if you like. So we're going to just, there we go, nice and gently there. Beautiful. And there you go. As you can see, sushi roll with your alternate ingredients, your cauliflower, a few other extra ingredients added, all done and dusted, super quick, super easy. Mine aren't quite as neat and tidied up as you get at the Japanese restaurants, but play around with a little bit just to get the cauliflower mixture towards the outside, the filling, the ingredients to the middle. So when you roll it over, it all presents beautifully, all good to go, and you're ready. Super sushi, easy to do for lunch, for a snack. You guys can do this as well. It's not hard. It's really good, easy food that just makes you feel good, helps you lose a bit of weight, and helps you when you're out on those little fitness journeys and building a better lifestyle as you go. Thanks very much for joining in today. I'm really pleased you came along. If you've got any questions, jump online afterwards and I'll be there to answer them, or drop me a line, an email, or give me a call. We can have a chat. And jump onto my website, sportsadventure.com.au, where I've got loads and loads of recipes. Obviously, we've got sushi here today, we've got some sliders, we've got some pizza, we've got some little frittatas, all sorts of really, really good stuff. Thanks very much for joining in. Catch you next week. Have a great day.